here in the crawl space. Like to make sure, oh, some insulation had fallen there. But, trying to see the best light. For crawl spaces like this, I like to, make sure there's no critters or snakes. I remember one time I was in the crawl space, I seen the shedding of a snake skin, and that was a fun experience. But wow, I'm not sure if you guys can see. This thing is covered in biological growth. Anyway, let's go disconnect the power here. I got you guys on the GoPro. This thing ain't even secured. There we go. So these angles are going to be kind of weird because there's nothing for me to really prompt you guys up on. But I'm going to go ahead and take these panels off. And of course I got a job to do, so I got to document everything and take pictures, which is no biggie. I just want to make sure I'm actually doing my job. Hopefully y'all can see it, but I like to take the filter when it's not jammed. God bless you, Byron. All right, Byron. So we'll be the 11th month. This is almost a year-old filter. And the reason why I use the GoPro is because I use my phone to actually get the detailed shots here when I can't squeeze the tablet in. I'll give you all a look regarding the evaporator coil. I'm starting to see biological growth in there. And then here's the ductwork. Y'all gonna see it before I even see it. For those that work for a company or self-employed, Do y'all recommend indoor air quality enhancements such as UV lights? Comment below. Where I live, not too many companies talk about UV lights or anything, or even bring it to the customer's attention. I think we have in the past. I'll go ahead and just remind her of our situation there. We have some more biological growth and dust on this filter door here. Gonna take a picture of that. So we can have that documented. I think recently she did spend a lot of money with us. There we go. Well, that thing is very tight, which is good. But we did new plenums for her. Now I'm gonna a couple inches, feet maybe, I don't know. Take these doors off. Crawl spaces are very humid, and if there's no light, sunlight, or ultraviolet light, you tend to have biological growth. And since this air handler is actually horizontal, you see that right there? That's rust. So chances are we're going to find biological growth in here and rust because the evaporator coil produces water, and that gets in the insulation. Of course, I'll let y'all see it before I take pictures. You can see it on the cables there. That's your blower motor, and those fins are your wheel, or the fan. It's really not the worst I've seen, but we do have growth in here and on that sticker tag. I'm gonna turn you guys off here in a minute. Alright, I had put the panel back on, seen everything I needed to see here, cleared out that drain line. I'm gonna, man, my knees are busted. Restore power to this air handler real quick, and then check the outdoor unit, present my findings, see what the customer thinks. Look at that, got biological growth on the disconnect box, and go from there. But hey guys, you are what you breathe, especially with everyone spending more time here at the house. You know, more people are working from home than ever. It's quite important to make sure you're breathing clean air, especially if you have health complications. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. If you liked what y'all saw, you know, go ahead, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, y'all be safe out there.